Hello, traders. Gary Wagner here. It is 11:04 in Honolulu, 5:04 in New York on Tuesday, 26th day of July, 2022, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. Traders are awaiting tomorrow's decision by the Federal Reserve as to the extent of the next rate hike. The current consensus puts it overwhelmingly at a 75 basis point rate hike tomorrow. According to the CME's FedWatch tool, there's a 75% probability of that, with a 25% probability that the Fed will enact even a stronger rate hike of 100 basis points. That has given the dollar absolute strength today, and that has pressured gold lower. Currently, we have gold down $3.90. This basis, the most active August contract, with an ounce of August gold fixed at $1,715.20. When we take a look at the dollar itself, overwhelmingly, traders actually bid gold higher today, but all of those gains were taken away by extreme dollar strength back over 107, 107.065. That's after adding almost a 0.7% change on the day. What is also interesting is silver. Silver has been trading under pressure while gold has been moving up. And even in light of dollar strength, we have a resilient silver market today, gaining 1.05% or 19 cents, with an ounce of September silver currently fixed at $18.52. This first chart is a weekly chart of the dollar index. We can certainly see that the dollar has nowhere near regained the high that we saw a couple of weeks ago when the dollar index exceeded 109. However, after yesterday's decline, we see solid support at approximately 106. That is the low of this week as well as last week, and we are seeing a slight movement to the upside, really based on today's move of 0.6%. And that has obviously put weight upon gold, taking away any gains that were created from normal trading. This next chart is the continuous contract of gold representing the August futures contract. Of course, we entered a trade earlier at $1,681. We have moved our stop up on two occasions. It is currently sitting at 1704. The rationale behind putting it at 1704 is that it is below both real bodies of the prior two trading weeks. Of course, this week we have had a higher low, but a lower high. That being said, we will monitor the market closely. Once the FOMC meeting concludes, the statement is released. That occurs at 3 o'clock EDT in New York, of course. And then the press conference that Jerome Powell will give will commence at 3:30 in New York. If we see a whipsaw reaction where we see the market move dramatically higher and it looks as though it's beginning to kick back and move lower, we would pull profits. If not, we will let the market run. The worst case scenario is that they do raise rates, let's say, by 100 basis points, and that would pressure gold lower, effectively stopping us out, but we would get stopped out with over a $2,000 profit per COMEX contract. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.